I can always depend on this baby right here to cook whatever I put in it, especially on days that I don't feel like being in the kitchen long. I can just throw anything. Right now, I'm cooking a chuck roast. I made a sauce and threw it in, put it on high, and let that baby cook. And it's so easy to clean. When I first got it, it looked a little intimidating because it looks pretty big, as you can tell. But it's a perfect size. I'm a family of 2 adults and 2 kids, and it's perfect. Perfect to clean, perfect to cook, whatever you need. And it's one of the best purchases I've gotten to cook or for my kitchen ever. So if you're on the defense, I give it a 2 thumbs up because it is a must in this kitchen.